Good morning, everyone. Well, unfortunately, another cold day in northwest Indiana. Keep in mind that we should be in the mid 50s this time of year. Instead, check out our high temperatures today. Probably only about a degree warmer than yesterday. High of 32 in Valparaiso, 32 in LaPorte, 30 in Portage. Maybe the mid 30s for places like Wheatfield and Schneider. Not much better than that. Maybe Kankakee hitting 38, but this is not where we should be. Now, the good news is there's not going to be much wind today, so you don't have to worry about a wind chill factor. And it's going to be a dry day with partly cloudy skies. Tonight, also colder than we should be. We should see low temperatures in the mid 30s, instead, mainly in the mid 20s, 24 in Hammond, 22 in Crown Point, even some low 20s showing up, 21 in LaPorte. I think the cloud cover thickens some. We'll call it a mostly cloudy night, but still a dry night, and still, fortunately, not much wind. And I do think, actually, that Tuesday is going to be largely dry. In fact, it may not be till about 5 o'clock in the afternoon on Tuesday that the rain starts to move in. There's a little bit of green showing up, but there's even a decent chance that the homebound commute could be dry. So the rain really holding up. And fortunately, on Tuesday, we are going to try and warm. Now, we're not back to normal yet, but I do think we'll at least hit the low 40s. I wouldn't even be surprised, especially in Newton and Jasper County, for maybe some temperatures to peak in the mid 40s before we start to cool. Problem is, it is going to get breezy again. And then once those winds pick up tomorrow afternoon, it's going to be staying breezy. So as we go ahead in time, notice that as we get to midnight, a little bit better chance of rain. So this is Tuesday night. And the other thing to note here is that we're going to actually see warming temperatures as we go through the overnight hours on Tuesday. So check out Wednesday morning. Our temperatures are going to be warmer than what we're going to be seeing during the day on Tuesday. We're going to be seeing the low, mid, upper 50s, it looks like, across northwest Indiana. Still breezy. And notice this is that Wednesday morning commute, so the chance for some light showers. But I think as we go through the day on Wednesday, we're going to be seeing more activity. That said, our temperatures are going to continue to warm thanks to this warm front. I do think we could top out in the mid 60s for Wednesday afternoon, but notice how there's more and more rain showing up. In fact, the best chance of rain during the day on Wednesday is looking like the late afternoon for the homebound commute. So that is looking like a slow go Wednesday afternoon, because notice how those darker shades of green are showing up and even some shades of yellow. That's indicating the potential, since our temperatures are warm enough, low 60s at 5 o'clock, for thunderstorms. Not severe storms, but could there be some flashes of lightning, some rumbles of thunder late Wednesday afternoon? Absolutely.